आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello dear students, the question is how does Ampere-Maxwell law explain the flow of current through a capacitor when it is being charged by a battery? Write the expression for displacement current in terms of rate of change of electric flux. When a battery is attached to a capacitor, the conduction current flows in wire outside the capacitor. So this is the conduction current which flows through the wire outside the capacitor. When capacitor is connected to external battery, conduction current flows through the wire outside the capacitor. Therefore, the electric flux for link with the capacitor is electric flux link with the capacitor is phi E is equal to electric field intensity, that is E into A, that is area of the capacitor. But we know that the value of electric field intensity for a conductor is calculated by the formula sigma upon epsilon naught, where sigma is surface charge density. Hence E will be equal to Q divided by A divided by epsilon naught, that is Q divided by A epsilon naught. Since sigma is surface charge density, that is charge per unit area, from this equation the value of charge is Q equals to A epsilon naught into E. So this is the value of charge stored inside the capacitor. This is our equation number 1. Now applying derivative on both sides. With respect to time on both sides, we get dq upon dt equals to d by dt of epsilon naught E into A. Since E into A is equal to electric flux, that is phi, we can put the value here. Here the dq upon dt is displacement current id, the current inside the capacitor plates or current in between the two parallel plates. id equals to epsilon naught is a constant term, so it is taken outside the derivative. It becomes d by dt of phi e. This is the expression for displacement current in terms of electric flux. I hope this has answered your question. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।